Hello, welcome to Greenhat-Redbeard Adventures. I'm sure you can all figure out for yourself what this is. Using the file to make wood shavings. Everything outside today is soaking wet, it's been pouring rain, so I'm using the bow from my bow drill. Of course it's going to take some time. It is a tiny little file after all. I did this many years ago, and it worked out quite nicely. This is obviously very time consuming. This is more of a last ditch effort, but someone did request to see it be done, so this is for them. I was thinking about making some fine wood dust and shavings before and then turn the camera on and then finish it off at the last second. But then I realized that someone's probably going to make the accusation that the wood dust pile came from some other means. So I decided it was probably best to do it all in one video. Like I said, this is going to take you some time to do. You know, as they say, every little bit helps. I started off pressing lightly. Now I'm pressing a little bit harder. So I've been doing this for, looking at the clock now, it's been roughly about almost 4 minutes, and as you can see, it's just a small, very tiny little pile. This is more time consuming than you would think. If you have an actual wood file with you, well, not necessarily a full one, not a big one, take a file, cut it down to maybe 2, maybe 3 inches long, and just carry that with you, and that way you can just shave it like this in a way. That way you got a nice file, you can make some very nice fine wood dust and wood shavings. Not really all that much there, but I'm going to see about igniting that, and it should ignite. There's no reason it shouldn't, but it's not very much there, so don't expect a huge flame. burning up. Not like a big serious flame or nothing, but it helps, I guess. It ignited for a short time, but as you can see, it's a small little ember type of size right there. It's burning up. Yeah, it's burning just like you would an ember of for a bow drill or a flint and steel type thing. Not very big, but I think it. If I had something to scoop it up with and put it into a bigger tinder bundle, it definitely would play a part. It doesn't look like much, but it's still going. See, there it is. Not bad. It works, but not the world's greatest, but it does work. So this was just a video request by somebody, because I did mention in a couple of videos where I actually use nail clippers, not just for the sake of popping little blisters on your hands or on your feet, but I have used the file to make wood shavings to make a fire with. You can, if you get in a big enough pile, then like of wood shavings, then you can probably make a small flame that'll just ignite a bigger pile, or maybe just ignite some char cloth or something like that. But don't expect the whole world from it. But it is a nice little last-ditch effort thing, or even just something for fun to try out for yourself. Give it a shot, see what happens.